Guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and in this video we're going to get Uranus Rising Open skin. So all you have to do is earn 3,000 MRO coins. So let's go to the MRO shop and buy this for 3,000 tokens or MRO coins. Nice, you finally got this skin after a long time. I've always seen this skin for a long time, but I haven't gotten it till now. And my account is already 8 years old. Anyways, did you already get this mech protector skin? Just play MRO Rising every Friday and Saturday. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.